Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing complete Forex trading MT4 indicators. This Forex trading indicator analyzes the price chart and provides clear trade entry levels along with suggested stop loss and take profit. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. When the red dot appear on the chart, then sell trade has to be taken. And when the blue dot appear on the chart, then buy trade has to be taken. To increase winning ratio, recommended to take buy trade near support level signals and take sell trade near resistance level signals. Place your stop loss at the suggested stop loss level. Take profit at the suggested take profit level. Avoid trading during news release time. This indicator system best work on any time frame. And this indicator system best works on any currency pairs. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take live back text of this signals, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this strategy. Please join my Telegram channel, for free download this indicator, link given below in the video description. While traders of all experience levels can use this system, it can be beneficial to practice trading on an MT4 demo account until you become consistent and confident enough to go live. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.